Go for it.
Hey Sentinels, we miss you. It's Friday afternoon, it's our assembly time, so we thought we'd just do a brief assembly to say hi and let you know we're thinking of you and we love you and we miss seeing you in the building. It's not the same here in our auditorium without all of you here, but we're so excited to have you here, at least through the video. And we have some special guests today that we can't wait for you to see. But most importantly, stay healthy, stay safe, and also keep being great Sentinels. Do the school work and work hard, and we'll have more information for you. But in the meantime, we miss you, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Right now, we have a few special guests at our Friday assembly. First of all, the King of Westmont, Dr. Weck. Come over here, Dr. Weck. We're practicing social distancing.
Thank you, Mr. Balderman. To the fine students of Westmont, as King of Westmont, I decree the next 5 school days as acts of God days. Therefore, there will be no detentions. There'll be no tardies. But you must continue to wash your hands, please, for everyone's safety.
And do your
Continue on,
schoolwork.
Mr. Balderman.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. There's something going on back here. We have some, what is this? It appears to be some Panthers are also at the assembly today. They're practicing social distancing, but they got some killer moves. We're very proud of them. Hey, who is it? Let's take a look at these Panthers. Oh! Mr. Jodak and Miss Quattrone, yeah.
Sentinel, sorry about that.
Yes, it's great to have them here. Anything you want to say?
We love you guys.
We do. We miss you, and be well.
Excellent. One last thing, thank you to the Panthers. Awesome to have you here. One last thing to Westmont, top high school in the nation. And we got one more special guest. There he is, the Sentinel baby! Wishing you the very best. Take care, Sentinels. We miss you. Stay healthy. Keep doing some work. And we hope to talk to you soon.